Yo, what's up guys, it's Wavy, and today I'm going to show you guys a method on how to actually join Creative Island. And this is a method where you can actually get guns and actually build, so you can actually fight people in this hub glitch. It's been like a week straight, we haven't been able to play creative, so at least now you can actually fight people and like free build and all that. I actually got this method from Tristan and Yellow, so their channel will be down in the link in the description. Also guys, I just want to let you guys know I am grinding for 6k subs. I know I can hit it. I'm about 650 subs away. So if this tutorial did actually work for you guys, please subscribe and also like the video. With that being said, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so you want to build all the way to the border where it's yellow, and you're going to build all the way to max height. Also, while you do this tutorial, I do suggest you get a group of friends because it will go faster. So just build all the way to the border and crank all the way up while you do it. And make sure you're at max height. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video. So now that you're max height and at the border with your group of friends, you're going to jump and glide. If you guys are more than 4, I suggest you guys split up into 2 groups and just glide different directions until you guys see the little portal or island itself. I've done this multiple times, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow my trail of builds, which I did. There's a whole trail which shows you to get there, but since I've already done it multiple times, that's why the trail's already there. And as you guys can see, my marker is there as well. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video. Also guys, when you guys land on the water or about to hit the water, just click respawn and it should bring you back up again. As you guys see, we did make it to the hub island, and it should be any one of your friends' island, so just let them grant you permissions and you guys can build, shoot, fight each other, and do free for all. Anyways guys, I just want to shout out my boys MNT, Cycle, Illity, and Punisher for helping me with this tutorial. I hope this worked for you guys. I hope you guys can actually find the map. Once again, I do suggest you do groups of 6 or 4. If this tutorial did work for you guys, please drop a sub because I'm trying to hit 6k subs. So please hit that big red subscribe button, and I hope you guys enjoy your day. Peace.